Hello everyone, this is Henry from CRUKING. Today we are at the Xiamen International Stone Fair. The machine behind me is the HNF120, which is a 12-ton heavy-duty forklift from SOCMA. Let's take a closer look at its features. This machine offers a choice between Cummins and Yucai design engines, providing strong power to meet high-efficiency operation demands. And it also features a dual-pump combined hydraulic system, significantly reducing fuel consumption and energy usage. Additionally, it is equipped with a radiator and backpressure protection device to ensure thermal balance of the machine. The transmission of this forklift comes from Zhongnan Transmission, which is a long-established Chinese brand known for their high quality and reliability. The HNF120 is fitted with a specialized heavy-duty drive axle, and we can see that it adopts enlarged axle housing and wire hubs to provide greater load capacity. The forks are from Cascade, known for their wear resistance and long service life. The mast can be customized to different lifting heights according to customer requirements. Now we are inside the cabin. We can feel the wide field of view, which is beneficial for the operator to observe the surroundings. The machine also features an aviation-style seat and pilot control joystick, offering a comfortable driving experience. In summary, this is a heavy-duty forklift can be widely used in warehouse, ports, and factories. If you need such a forklift, please contact me. See you next time.